Welcome all. As you can see, we have a dataset and two different questions related to it. Let's solve one by one. Welcome all. As you can see, we have a dataset and two different questions related to it. Let's solve one by one. Just select the column which has department with header and then after a comma select quantity sold column. After another comma, choose sum as your function. Now again after a comma type 3 to show headers in our resulting output. As you can see, first we took department column, then for values we took quantity sold column, then we select our function which was sum, and in the last we have 3 for showing headers. Press enter and see the magic. So we have the output, all departments with their respective total sold quantity and a grand total as well in the bottom. Let's jump over the next one. Everything would be same as previous. Instead of selecting department column we will take salesperson. So the very first argument will be as range B1, B14, and then for values we'll take C1, C14, which is our sold quantity column. Rest will be same as previous actions. And we got the results as expected. Salespersons with their respective sold quantities in aggregate. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Have a great day.